Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add border in Google Docs. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Google Docs app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one document that you want to add the border on. Simply tap on it. Then here you can find the pencil icon at the bottom corner. Simply select it. Now there is the plus sign button at the top. Simply tap on it. Now to add the border, simply tap onto the table option right here. Then tap onto the insert table. Now you can see the border has been added to your Google Docs. You can also edit the border of the Google Docs from the given options right here. And that's it. This is how you can add border to your documents in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.